Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn the steps to create effective SEO content. And it is going to be theory and we are going to cover all these 6 steps in less than 5 minutes of time. And it is very much important, so I want to take the real time Click and Capture Studio as an example. And if you're watching my videos for the very first time, Click and Capture Studio is a real time business where we are supporting and they do wedding photography, model photography and product photography. And coming back to the text pad, let's discuss how we can create an effective SEO content for Click and Capture Studio, so that when you understand the effective SEO content, then definitely you can apply the same to your business. So the very first step is we have to identify the audience needs. So when it comes to Click and Capture Studio, we have to think about the most common questions or maybe the concerns or interests that the wedding clients have. If the clients often ask about different wedding photography styles, all we have to do is we have to create a guide on that. So identifying the audience needs is very much important. And the second one, use targeted keywords naturally. What does it mean? Now, while we are doing the keyword research, whatever the keywords that we find, we have to use them in the title or maybe the headers or in the body of the content that we are writing. For example, if you are writing about unique wedding photography ideas, just try to include the phrase in the headings and maybe a few times within the content, which is very much important. We have to keep on using the targeted keywords naturally. And the step number 3, focus on quality over quantity. Now, a lot of people think the quantity is very much important, but Google will always prioritizes high quality or maybe the valuable content over content that's simply stuffed with keywords. So always remember that the content that we are placing on the website should be very informative, should be very clear, and the most important thing, it should be very much relevant. Now, step number 4, we have to make the content readable. What does it mean? It means we have to use short paragraphs or maybe headings, bullet points, or we have to include images. It will make the content easy to scan for the people who reads, because always remember that people on the web, they do not have time to read the long paragraph. They will directly skim the content. So the formatting that we are doing is very much important. We have to keep short paragraph, headings, bullet points and images. Remember these things in mind. And the step number 5 is going to be add engaging visuals. Now, when it comes to Click and Capture Studio, since it is a photography business, we have to add the images and videos which are very much important. And also we have to make sure that each image that we are placing on the website should have a description. We have to include the alt text. For example, instead of keeping the description wedding, we have to use outdoor wedding photography at sunset. Something like that, which is very much important. And the very final step to create an effective SEO content is update content regularly. We always have to update the content. We have to revisit all the blog posts that we have created or pages that we have created, and we have to update them with new photos or maybe the recent work or maybe with additional tips. Always remember that Google favors the websites that are actively maintained. So when we follow all these 6 steps, we will be on the top of the Google search engine results page. I hope you have understand the steps to create effective SEO content. If you really find this video helpful, please continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.